Best midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Subaru Legacy. The 2024 Subaru Legacy has been named the best midsize car for 2025, earning praise for its rugged design, advanced safety features, and dependable performance. With its well-rounded attributes, the Legacy continues to stand out in the midsize sedan segment, offering a blend of functionality and sophistication. Rugged design and comfortable interior. The 2024 Legacy features a distinctive, rugged design that reflects Subaru's commitment to durability and style. Its robust stance and bold front grille give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the Legacy offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, designed with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches. Standard amenities include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity and convenience for both the driver and passengers. Reliable performance options. Under the hood, the 2024 Legacy provides a choice of engines that cater to different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 182 horsepower and 176 lb-ft of torque, offering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the Legacy Sport and Touring trims feature a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with Subaru's continuously variable transmission, CVT, which provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. Advanced safety and technology features. Safety is a standout feature of the 2024 Legacy, with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology coming standard across all trims. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer additional features such as a larger 11.6-inch touchscreen, a premium audio system, and advanced driver assistance technologies. These enhancements contribute to a high level of safety and convenience, making the Legacy a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. Conclusion. The 2024 Subaru Legacy is celebrated as the best midsize car for 2025 due to its rugged design, reliable performance, and comprehensive safety features. Its combination of comfort, technology, and dependability makes it an excellent choice for drivers seeking a versatile and well-equipped midsize sedan.